Aural Trainer, describing the character of a piece for grades 4 to 8 oral. In this video, you will learn how to describe the character of a piece for grades 4 and above ABRSM oral tests. You will also be required to identify other features such as dynamics, articulation, tempo, and tonality. But these were covered in previous videos. Here, we will concentrate on just the character of the piece. That said, the character of the piece is made by the other features: dynamics, articulation, tempo, and tonality. First of all, let's take a close look at the question you will be asked in the exam, which is, what gives this piece its musical character? This is a two-part question. In other words, you have to describe the character of the piece and say what musical features give the piece that character. If you took a look at the model answers given in sample oral test practice books, every time these above factors, that is, dynamics, articulation, tempo and tonality, come up as answers for what gives the music its character. For example, this might be a model answer. Staccato notes at a fast tempo, quite loud and in a major key, give this piece a happy, lively character. Next, I would advise that you prepare a few set answers. Don't get caught out on the day trying to think what mood the piece conveys. Most music can fall into a few simple categories, for example, happy, sad, relaxed, intense. And finally, prepare the next question you will be asked, even before the examiner asks it. In grades 4 and 5, you will hear a piece and answer questions about the piece, and then the examiner will play a phrase from the same piece and ask you to clap back the rhythm and state how many beats were in a bar. Now you could be thinking about how many beats were in a bar on the very first playing, and not wait until the examiner plays it for the last time. So let's try a few examples. Listen to these short extracts, keeping in mind the musical features of dynamics, articulation, tempo and tonality, and then describe the character of the piece in terms of these. The fairly fast tempo, frequent use of staccato notes, and the major key give this piece a happy, lively character. Now listen to the second extract. In this one, the slow tempo, minor key and legato melody give this piece a sad, melancholy character. And finally this one. The major key, with a moderately loud legato melody at a medium tempo gives this piece a calm, lilting character. Now, you should be fully prepared for this section of the oral tests. And if this video has helped in any way, please give it a like and subscribe to stay up to date with future uploads. Thanks for listening.